Hi, in this video I am going to show you the 60 days free online course on the research methodology and the statistical analysis. So actually the research methodology is the mandatory course to the pre-PhD candidates. Okay, that means the candidates who registered for the PhD, research methodology is a mandatory course in the pre-PhD coursework. So many candidates facing difficult to read this research methodology subject by their own. So here the 60 days free online course is available on this research methodology. So really it is a very good news to the PhD candidates, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are doing the PhD work, but not yet completed the pre-PhD and the research methodology course. And here the registration is completely free, guys. But while coming to the certificate, you have to pay some amount. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so all of you know the Swayam. It is online education for faculty as well as the students also. Okay, and here it is a part of the University Grants Commission, guys. So under this one here, you may check down the MCO3 Research Methodology and Statistical Analysis by Dr. Subodh, Indira Gandhi National Open University professor. So from this professor, here the research methodology and statistical analysis course is running, guys. So actually the starting date of this one is 15th Feb 2021 and the duration of the course is 16 weeks. Okay, up to 16 weeks, it is the duration of the course means, so nearly 4 months, guys. So starting from February, okay, so March, April, May, June, that means up to June this course will run. The candidates who missed this online course on the research methodology, you may join now also. Okay, I will show you how to join. So before that one, please check down here the titles. Okay, business research, research thought and FAQ, research methods and research plan and research problem. Okay, so here starting from week 1 to week 16, the complete whatever the topics are going to be discussed. Okay, the complete list is given here, and the total it includes the 60 videos, guys. So which will give you the very clear-cut idea regarding the research methodology, and it will be very much helpful to you for your pre-PhD coursework. Okay, so here the e-content given here, that means this link is enabled. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to the PDFs also. That means you can download the PDFs of that particular topic, guys. So for this unit 1, the total 21 pages PDF is there. Okay, so like that. There will be a lot of flexibility, guys. You can join the online course as well as you can take the e-content also, so which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose. And how to join in this one means, here the join is there. Okay, so click on this one and then you have to register with the Swayam portal. So you need not to separately register here if you already have the Microsoft account or Google or Facebook. So by that way also you can join. So here I am just clicking on the Google. So from my Google account, I am trying to join into this course. So after clicking on your Gmail, then it will be directed to this one. That means you have to fill up all the personal details here. So your name, mobile number, email. Or because whatever the updates they want to give, they will send the updates through you to your mobile number or else through your email ID. So and your educational details. Okay. So all these things you have to enter and then click on the save. Okay, then they will provide you the login credentials. Okay, so based upon those login credentials, you can automatically join the course, guys, and you can watch the previously completed. That means actually the course started on 15th Feb. Okay, after joining, okay, you can access the previously completed videos and you can go through online for the upcoming courses also. Fine. So these are the complete details regarding this one. And while coming to the certificate, so after completion of this course, actually there will be an exam, guys. Okay, so you have to apply for that exam. I think approximately 1000 rupees might be there. The examination, registration fee for that exam. So if you once complete that exam with proper marks, then you will get the certificate. Okay, that will be very much valid, guys. Okay, And once after getting the certificate, whatever the credits are there for this course, those credits may be transferred to your pre-PhD research methodology coursework, guys. So for that one, for that confirmation, you please confirm that one with your PhD registered college or institution or university, whether these credits are going to be transferred to your pre-PhD coursework or not. So if it is happening, means then directly you can finish your research methodology coursework from this SWAYAM course itself. So actually such type of opportunity is there. Okay, a credit transferring policy system is also there, but once please confirm with your PhD registered institute. Fine. So here the different groups are also mentioned here regarding this course. You may join any one of this group, guys. So finally, these are the details regarding the research methodology and statistical analysis online course. Okay, total 60 videos are there. Fine, and the duration is 16 weeks. So which will be explained in detail by the professor, and here the details of the concepts are also given here. So very much helpful for your pre-PhD coursework research methodology, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide